I've never been great with numbers. Seriously, if you ask me to solve a mathematical equation, I would get it wrong 9 times out of 10. I mean, like, seriously. But that all pales in comparison to my struggle with French numbers, whose mere existence filled me with an unquantifiable dread. So it was pretty embarrassing, honestly. After all numbers are usually one of the first things that you encounter when you start learning a language. But for whatever reason, my brain had trouble recognizing the French numbers the way that it does. I mean, like the English ones does. But you don't worry. I'll teach you how to pronounce the French numbers from 1 to 20, the basics. So, hello, bonjour, et bienvenue à Learn French with Afroza. Today, I will be teaching you how to pronounce the basic French numbers. Okay, so the French numbers are very important, and how to pronounce them correctly and also very important. Now, let's begin. So, French numbers 1 to 20. The rest of it we'll talk about in the next video. So, French, let's start with the numbers then. So, 0, that's the 0. Then A, which is 1. 0, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, that is 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one is 20. 20 is 20 in French numbers. You see, we started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then it started to get weird, which is this, this, with this, now, and 20. These are pretty good. So how these are very good, how you can learn it. Unfortunately, you do have to learn it from 1 to 20. You do need to memorize it because it's also needed for the time. Okay, so the way you're going to say quelle heure est-il, which is what time it is, you also need to know that. So French numbers 1 to 20, please learn it, and then later on we'll discuss how we can make it easier. For example, from 21 to 100. So for now, let's stick to the numbers with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Merci, au revoir. Stay tuned with Learn French with Afroza. Merci.